2 simple ingredients, melted butter and graham cracker crumbs, are all you need for a graham cracker crust. See my video for graham crackers for the best gluten-free graham crackers, or you can use store-bought for this recipe. Use a food processor to turn your grahams into crumbs, or if you don't have a food processor, this method works great. Take a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and add your graham crackers to it. Then zip up the bag and roll it with a rolling pin. You can also roll it with a drinking glass turned on its side. Then measure 1½ cups crumbs into a medium-sized bowl. And add your 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir it well. I like to use a fork. And then transfer your crumbs to a pie plate. If you'll be adding a filling that needs to be baked, such as cheesecake, the crust and the cheesecake filling can bake at the same time. I'm going to bake mine at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes because later I'll be adding a no-bake filling. I'll need to allow my crust to completely cool before I add my filling. Graham cracker crust can also be made in advance and frozen. Leave your favorite pie fillings in the comments below and please subscribe to receive new recipes each week.